परम तत्वाय नारायणाय गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम क्रीं क्रीं भूतनाथाय नमः। ओम त्रीं त्रीं त्रिजटाय नमः। ओम लीं दिव्यचेतनानंदाय नमः। I pray at the lotus feet of Divine Mother, Shri Lalitambika, and at the lotus feet of my Divine Gurus.
So we have been doing the meditation on the chakras, how it has been mentioned in the Lalita Sahasranam. Previous videos I have spoken about the Vishuddhi Chakra meditation, then that is the throat center, throat chakra meditation. Then we went on to our heart chakra meditation. Now the Lalita Sahasranam, we are reading the shlokas from 102 and 103. So 102 and 103, those verses are specifically describing the meditation on the Manipur chakra, which is the chakra at your navel. So navel chakra. Let me read the shlokas. Manipurabja nilaya vadanatraya sanyuta vajradika yudhopeta damaryadi biravrita raktavarna masanishta gudana prita manasa samasta bhakta sukada lakinyamba swarupini. And in the names, these names are Namavali, these names are 495 till 503. So let's go. Om Manipura Abja Nilyaya Namaha. So here our focus now goes on the navel center. So there mother is residing in the navel center, and here she is known in the name of Lakini. So you remember earlier she was Dakini, here she was Dakini, at throat center, at the heart center she was Rakini, now at the navel center she is Lakini. Now here she has three faces. Om Vadantraya Sanyutaya Namaha. Here she has three faces. Vajradika Yudhopetaya Namaha. Here she has weapon which is thunderbolt, Vajra. Om Damaryadi Bhiravritaya Namaha. And here she is surrounded by 10 Shaktis beginning with Damari. So the meditation on the navel chakra when we go, which is known as Manipura chakra. The navel chakra is a lotus with 10 petals. So in the center of that we visualize Divine Mother is sitting. Now she has three faces. So remember the order. Here she had one face. In heart center she had two faces. In the navel center she has three faces. Here, alright, then here it was 16 petals, here it was 12 petals, now it is 10 petals. First she has a rosy complexion, then she had a darkish complexion, the cloudish complexion, and now here she has a different complexion which is blood red color. So, and here she had one face, then two face, then three face. Surrounded by 16 Shaktis, surrounded by 12 Shaktis, surrounded by 10 Shaktis, and those 10 Shaktis here in the navel chakra begin with the name Damari. When we are doing the Sri Vidya, Sri Chakra Puja, all these names will come there. Om Raktavarnaya Namaha, and she is reddish in color. Masanishthaya Namaha, and she is presiding over the flesh. So here the first one, when we were meditating on the throat chakra, she resides on the skin. Okay. The second one was the blood here in the throat chakra. The third one now, she presides over the flesh. Om Gudana Prita Manasaya Namaha. Here we give her the offering of rice with good. Okay. So good again is sweetness personified. Good again, or jaggery. If you have seen jaggery, sugar is white in color, but jaggery is more healthier version of sugar. So she likes the offering of sweetness. Rice is again our consciousness and the sweetness of our mind. So the sweetness of our mind mixed with the purified consciousness of our heart, that is the offering that she likes. Samasta Bhakta Sukhadaya Namaha, and she gives sukha or happiness to all the devotees. She is giving sukha or happiness to all the devotees. So this meditation is very simple. I have explained again and again how to meditate. First, if possible, daily chant Lalita Sahasranam, and after the Lalita Sahasranam, sit for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, as long as you can sit. Take any of those verses. Now here, since we are focusing on the chakra meditation, take one of the chakras, now here Manipur chakra. So focus all your attention on the Manipur or on the navel. Navel center is very, very important to us. In spiritual world, navel center holds the most importance, because navel, from below the navel, whatever functions we perform, eating, mating, procreating, all these functions are there in the animal world also. But above the navel, whatever functions we perform, it is all the way up till the wisdom here. Okay, this journey takes us to our divinity. So below the navel, we are animal. Above the navel, we are divine beings. So navel chakra is very, very important to meditate. So in all scriptures you see, or all the methods of meditation, most important they will say is navel chakra. There is a Bij mantra for navel chakra. They say Ram, 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 Ram. That is the navel chakra. Ram is the Agni Bij, or the seed of fire. Navel is the center, okay, and the digestive fires are there. Our spiritual fire is also there. If we ignite that fire, then we become more and more purified. The state of purification happens here, starts happening here, and then all the way we become a divine being. If the navel chakra is not purified, we won't be reaching to our divinity. The more we focus on eating, procreating, mating, we are still in our animal tendencies. So navel chakra is very, very important. So the meditation here is very simple. Sit down, focus all your attention on the navel. 10 petals. Here the mother is sitting and she has 3 faces, alright, and she is having a thunderbolt, Vajra, or which is very strong, okay, and other weapons also there, and here she has a very reddish hue, okay, reddish like blood color, alright, Rakta Varnaya Namaha, and she is the one who is presiding over the flesh. Got it? So very simple meditation, not going much in deep, and she likes the offering of jaggery and rice, and with these offerings she becomes very happy and she bestows happiness to all the devotees, and she is known as Lakini. Alright, so these were the names. Lakini on the Manipur, then we go Rakini, then we go Dakini. So this was the orders: Dakini, Rakini, Lakini. 16 petals, 12 petals, 10 petals. Rosy complexion, bluish complexion, blood complexion. Presiding over the skin, presiding over the blood, presiding over the flesh. All these 3, whatever we see, is all Divine Mother. And again, I explained to you in the previous videos also, after the meditation is done, and mentally when she is sitting here in the Manipur chakra, we meditate on her 3 faces, okay, and she is surrounded by 10 Shaktis, starting with Damari, and we offer her our purified consciousness mixed with the sweetness of our devotion, or we offer her mentally rice mixed with jaggery, okay. And once the meditation is over, meditate so deeply that you start feeling her presence, and the presence is felt by connecting your emotions with her. She becomes available to those who connect with their bhava. Bhavana is important, the emotion is important. So connect with that emotion and you will actually feel Mother's presence there. And when you get up from the meditation, again and again I always say, bring that inner feeling outside of you, and in the body she is residing here in the form of your flesh. So whenever you touch the flesh, you must remember, okay, this is Rakini. So God, whatever goddess, Divine Mother, whatever we feel internally, she is also present externally in us. Whenever we touch the skin, it is the Divine Mother. The blood flowing in our veins, it is the Divine Mother. The flesh that covers our body, it's all Divine Mother. With that feeling, you should remember Mother every day, every moment, or whatever moment, whenever you can remember. With that, we will end up this meditation. Om Samasta Bhakta Sukhdaya Namaha, Lakinamba Sarupinye Namaha.